and take you to my journey. Moving on, next thing that I want to show you, before I forget, actually I want to show you one thing. If you have careful eyes, you can see the spotlights, spotlights actually do not give you the sharp, irritating lighting to your eyes. It's a different higher end type of pot lights inside of this particular unit, so you don't see that bright eye hurting kind of sharpness in it, but at the same time it gives the proper lumen, so that it gives the room a very good lightings. This is a powder room, one of the first washroom. In here you can see the same type of Cinderstone countertop, and you can see the workmanship here. This is perfect seams that we are able to create, and also the designer grade type of faucets and LED and light fixture and so on. Moving